I didn't really know what to expect because I had just recently heard of it, quite frankly. And I'm not sure why, but suddenly I just started hearing about Madeira, and I was like, you know what, this sounds really intriguing. And so when I saw that we could get here from Lisbon pretty easily, I was like, yeah, that's a no-brainer. So, you know, once upon arriving, I was just blown away because I had been to the Azores. Obviously, I've been to many, many islands. I've been to the Caribbean, I've been to the Marquesas, but this one was unique in so many different ways. It's incredibly clean. The infrastructure is just so good. You can get around the island. The people are incredibly relaxed and friendly. And, you know, on an island that's built from tourism, it's hard to find that. Now, maybe it's because I'm here in the off season, but I don't think so. From what I hear, this is pretty much the way the Madeirans are all the time. They treat you like an honored guest. It just is one of those really cool places that you can come to, know that it's going to be safe, know that, you know, whatever happens is likely going to work out because people are so helpful. You can just put relaxation into an extra gear. You can just really, really unplug and relax and explore the island. And so, you know, while this is my first trip, like all places that I fall in love with, I hope I can come back and dig deeper. But this is most definitely a trip that will be seared into my memory for a long, long time. I mean, we've just done so much in such little time, and I've really gotten to know Madeira, I think, in a short amount of time quite well. I do hope I get to come back. I say that about a lot of places. I need 3 lives or 4 lives to do it all, but I certainly have no regrets about coming here. Hopefully those memories are going to fuel me through, you know, the tough times that always lay ahead in everybody's life. It's, you know, it's ups and downs. So I can always look back and think about these happy times in Madeira, I think, and hopefully that'll get me through. I'm so happy I came, and Madeira, thank you so much.